I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites: installed NL hybrid binaries, Python runtime, and sufficient RAM, at least what's recommended. Once confirmed, open the console and position yourself in the project directory so paths resolve. Next, load the base config and run the initial setup command to generate runtime artifacts. This creates temp folders and validates models. Make sure to run as the intended user so permissions match. This gets you into a reproducible state and prevents common path. Or now execute the main NL hybrid command with hybrid mode enabled. Include model path, device target, and tokenization options. You will see tokenization first, then model shard stream in. Watch for warnings about missing shards. If performance lags, reduce batch size or enable mixed precision. These change memory footprints and throughput. Once done, tune beam width or sampling for output quality. Make sure to pipe input or point to a streaming source for continuous inference without restarting. Finish by writing final outputs to a consistent directory and rotate logs so you can reproduce results later. Once saved, run quick validation checks to ensure outputs meet format and length constraints. If you encounter crashes, increase CLI verbosity to capture stack traces and resource usage, then rerun with smaller inputs or restricted devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if model loading fails, verify shard checksums and re-download corrupted artifacts. This often resolves silent load errors and saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.